So there are some shortcuts where you shake one window on your PC to minimize other windows, or you can shake one to restore other windows. Or you want to rename all the files in a folder the same name with the number at the back. These tricks work both on Windows 10 and Windows 11. Let me show you how. So the first trick is how you can shut down your PC correctly. So you know that when you shut down your PC, your CPU will be awake for faster startup. You can check the uptime in the taskbar manager when you boot up your PC under the performance in CPU. If it's more like hour or a couple of hours, then you need to change the power setting in the control panel. So when you launch the control panel under the system and security, click on power option. Then on the upper left side, click on choose what the power button does. Then click on change settings that are currently unavailable. Now unmark the turn on fast startup and save the settings. Now your startup will be a little slow, but it will shut down correctly from now on. Now the second trick is shaking the window to minimize or restore other windows. So to enable this, just go to your Windows settings, then click on multitasking. Then turn on the title bar window shake. And after when you shake the window on title bar, the other windows will be minimized or it will restore if the windows are minimized before. Now before showing you more tricks, if you like what you're seeing, then do subscribe and press the bell icon so you never miss any update. Now the third one is how to rename all the files in one folder. So here I am selecting all the files available in this folder and click on rename, or you can just right click on any file after selecting all. Then under show more options, click on rename. You can rename the file same name and it will be followed by the number. If there are other types of files like PDFs or the Word files, you will see the same name but the number will start from 01. As you can see here, image 01 is the name of 4 files but of different format. Now for quick launch of applications which are pinned on taskbar. So depending on the position of application, you can launch the application simply by holding the window key and then pressing the number. So here you can see the calculator is on first position, so to launch it simply just hold Windows and press 1 and it will be launched. Now to minimize it, you can do the same by the same keys. Similarly for file explorer, so if I change the position of that from third to second, then the window key plus the number 2 will do the trick. Similarly for other application on the taskbar, simply press the window key and the number at which that application is positioned at. Now for volume. Now you can control volume of individual applications simply by right clicking on the volume icon on the taskbar and clicking on the volume mixture. Now change the volume of individual apps. That's how you control individual volume for individual apps. Now on Windows 11 or Windows 10, there is a secret start menu which you can access by right clicking on the window icon on the taskbar. You can launch Task Manager, Settings, File Explorer, or you can search or you can manage your device, disk or network, etc. from here. So that's all from today. Hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, then do like the video and do subscribe. This is shaFs signing off, and I will see you in the next one.